Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with today's 2012 Panini Prestige box break. And there's the serial number that we showed on the earlier video, 352804911. Jump right in. We got Brandon Lloyd, Rob Gronkowski, Phillip Rivers, Michael Floyd, don't think that's numbered, Bryce Brown, Javid Best, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Andre Caldwell. Darren McFadden, James Laurinaitis, Christian Ponder, Trent Richardson, Alfred Morris, Peyton Manning, A.J. Green, Dexter McCluster. Marcus Colston, Malcolm Floyd, there's the first auto. Packers rookie free agent, Mark Tyler, running back from USC. We got LaMichael James, David DeCastro, Matt Moore, Willis McGahee, Anquan Bolton. Brandon Jacobs, Alden Smith, Ahmad Bradshaw, dummy card. Extra points gold of Mark Sanchez, those are not numbered. Jonathan Martin, Jermichael Finley, John Beeson, Maurice Jones-Drew. Antonio Brown, Drew Brees, Eric Weddle. The first hit, or the second hit, I guess, is a gamer, Arian Foster, not numbered. TJ Graham, Kobe Fleener, Sean Lee, John Abraham, Aaron Rodgers. Jonathan Vilma, Alex Smith, Brian Arakpo. Extra points gold, Ahmad Bradshaw, Bobby Wagner, Eric Berry, Jason Witten, Julio Jones. Darren Sproles, Patrick Willis, extra points blue, George Iloka rookie. Those are numbered to $9.99. Ruben Randall, Maurice Claiborne, Jacoby Jones, Cameron Wake, Champ Bailey. Vernon Davis, Mark Sanchez, a draft ticket of Robert Turbin. That's kind of like a refractor type thing. Those are numbered to 100. DeVere Posey for the Texans. Ronell Lewis, Peyton Hillis, Beanie Wells, Eric Decker. Richard Seymour, Brandon Gibson, Benjarvis Green Ellis, stars of the NFL, Jamal Charles, Justin Blackman, Donald Brown, Jerome Simpson, Brandon Marshall. Brett Keisel, Jimmy Graham, Mike Tolbert, a draft ticket, T.Y. Hilton for the Colts, Riley Reif, Tim Tebow, Ray Rice, Jordy Nelson. Deshaun Jackson, Chris Johnson, Carson Palmer, prestigious pick of Mohamed Sanu, DeVere Posey, DJ Williams, Haloti Ngata, AJ Hawk. Chris Long, Santonio Holmes, Sidney Rice, prestigious pick jersey of Ryan Broyles for the Lions. Saw that blue at first and got a little excited, but it was the wrong shade of blue to be luck. Isaiah Peed, Ryan Tannehill, Brian Urlacher, Paul Posluszny, Greg Little. Haven't seen any. God, we didn't get any Luck or Griffin in the last box either. And no SP so far in this box, though. At least not that I've noticed. Brian Hartline, Wes Welker, Ryan Matthews, extra points gold, Richard Seymour, Stephen Hill, rookie, Patrick Peterson, Brandon Pettigrew, Fred Jackson. Michael Vick, Kellen Winslow, and extra points green, Steven Jackson. Those are numbered to 25. League leaders, receiving yards, Victor Cruz, Larry Fitzgerald, Robert Griffin III, so at least there's him. Calvin Johnson, Scott Chandler, Reggie Wayne. Now we just need luck, and I think this will be the first box that we got the 3 big picks in. David Harris, Steven Jackson, Percy Harvin, Ahmad Bradshaw, Matt Khalil, Randy Moss, Tamba Hali, Miles Austin. So now we've gotten about the top 5 picks, except for luck. Mike Wallace, Sterling Moore, Vincent Jackson, Mohamed Sanu, Michael Floyd, Matt Ryan, Julius Peppers, Jamal Charles. Eli Manning, Ted Ginn Jr., Hakeem Nicks, Nick Toon, Mohamed Sanu, Greg Olson, Pierre Garcon, Colt McCoy. Take the rest of the packs out of here, so since they're starting to fall down, there's none left in there. We got Navarro Bowman, Matt Hasselbeck. There's the second auto, at least first one for the Colts we've seen this year. Colby Fleener, second round pick out of Stanford. That's numbered at $8.99. Calvin Johnson, Matthew Stafford. And this has been a pretty good box, honestly. We've got the hits were lackluster, but we hit all the base rookies for the big guys. Larry Fitzgerald, Tony Gonzalez, Clay Matthews, got Griffin, Richardson, Claiborne, Khalil, Floyd was in there. No Tannehill, that's about the only big pick that I can think of. Terrell Pryor, Sam Bradford, Tom Brady, Vernon Davis, Russell Wilson, D'Angelo Williams, Austin Collie, Jermaine Gresham. James Harrison, Mark Ingram, Shane McClellan, that's numbered to $9.99. Michael Egnew, Chris Gibbons, Reggie Bush, Von Miller, Ray Lewis. I don't know whose regular rookies are short printed, except for Chandler Harnish, because I'm Victor Cruz, Michael Crabtree, Darrelle Revis, LaShawn McCoy, T.Y. Hilton, Ed Reed, Ryan Grant, Jonathan Stewart. 3 packs left. No more guaranteed hits, but you never know. Tavares Jackson, Plaxico Burress, Marshawn Lynch. That's an SP though. Kobe Fleener, not Colby, for the Colts. Jared Crick, Blaine Gabbert, DeQuell Jackson, Kevin Cobb. It's a pretty decent box for the Colts, especially. Takeo Spikes, Lance Moore, Frank Gore, Ray Rice, Andre Branch, Greg Jennings, Steve Smith, Des Bryant. Last pack here. Antrell Roll, LaShawn McCoy, Rondé Barber, another Kobe Fleener, Draft City Destinations, Terrence Ganaway, Roddy White, Charles Woodson, Cam Newton. So, in addition to the base of Luck, Griffin, Khalil, Richardson's wasn't a base, it was an insert, but Floyd was in there. Here's the hits. And this SP of Fleener, the Fleener auto, the Steven Jackson extra points green out of 25, the Ryan Broyles jersey for the Lions, the draft ticket of Robert Turbin for the Seahawks, the gamer of Arian Foster for the Texans, and the auto of free agent rookie Mark Tyler from the Packers. We won't be doing any breaks on Wednesday this week, but I'm going to try really hard to have one of these for Sunday. Normally it would be automatic, but eBay fees are due this week, and that's a pretty big hit. So try to have one this weekend, but no guarantees. But check back on Thursday, check the eBay, or Thursday night, Friday morning, check the eBay store, see if there's anything in there. I'd like to do one, and I'm going to try to, but I just can't assure it at this point. So thanks again for your purchases, and I'll get your cards out.